Wonder Pets. Good night, Wonder Pets. Come on, Wonder Pets, Linny said. Let's put the baby animals to bed. They helped a frog into a puddle for his bath and a little cuddle. They brushed the teeth of a crocodile. She went to sleep with a gleaming smile. They sang a song of sweet moo-moos, and soon the cow began to snooze. They helped a penguin who was chilly. He warmed up, but he looked silly. They gave a little bee a hug, and soon she was a sleepy bug. They had some celery, turned off the light, and said, "Good night, good night, good night." Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Wonder Pets stories, check out my Wonder Pets playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel. We'll see you all in the next adventure.